Amazon do subscription products, i.e. can my customers sign up to receive a monthly shipment of widgets until they cancel? Yes is the answer to that, depending on where you sell. So typically the most common place to find subscription services like that is in health and personal care, specifically in supplements, okay? That's the most common place to find these sort of things. So if I come up, for instance, for here we go, that'll do, to this one. So this is typically where you'd find them. Now, it's not available yet in Australia, all right? So it's not available yet in Australia, but this is typically where you would find it. And if you're selling in this category, Amazon will encourage you to do it. So here's an example. This is Jarrow. Great products. Yeah, great products. But this is it. Subscribe and save. That's where it is, look. So you can subscribe and save some money. So they'll ship to you one every whatever it might be, and you just set up your subscription service. And if you do that, you can save some money. So that's how it works. Not available in Australia. It is available in America and also in the UK, in Germany. Lots of most of the European markets. It's available there, okay? Not in Australia. So that's that. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.